Hi, my name is Jessica. I am constantly juggling my home life, school, and work. One thing I have learned that helped me manage my time better was how to food prep for my busy weeks. I thought if I can do this, anyone can, and I would like to share with you the ways that I've figured out to do this to make my life a little easier. Step 1. Sit down and prepare some foods you would like for dinner the upcoming week. This is always fun, and you can always find great ideas online if you would like to try something new. I like to prepare a 5-night meal schedule for the work week, then on weekends enjoy takeout and leftovers. I made an example of one of my weeks to share with you. Monday, meatloaf. Tuesday, tacos. Wednesday, chicken broccoli. Thursday, lasagna. Friday, chicken Caesar salad with garlic bread. Sounds easy, but until you get used to it, there's a lot more to it. The most difficult concept I had to learn for weekly food prepping was how to organize. From your food list to cooking schedule, even how you store your food, being organized will make or break this process. Step 2. Your grocery list. Now that you picked your meals, you need to have the ingredients to make them. Planning your grocery list ahead of time not only saves time, but helps ensure you have what you need to prep on your day. Makes life a lot easier. Step 3. After you have your groceries and everything ready for you, you have to decide, when do you want to cook? I like to do it on Sundays. It's the end of the week for me, and it helps prepare for the next few days. I've come to call this Just Day, especially since a glass of wine helps me move my day along. As I cook, I try to prepare all my beef, my poultry, my pork, all separately. Then after my meats, I will work on my side dishes. Remember, not all meat is cooked. Depending on what you're preparing for the week, you might want to half cook something or even just prepare it raw and ready to be cooked on the day you plan to eat it. I will help explain all this when I go over my examples I have prepared. After some practice, it becomes a lot easier. Food storage. Step 4. Storage is important. You need a way to keep your food healthy and safe to eat. They have special containers made for freezer and fridge storage. It's hard in the beginning to figure out what you'll use, but after you get going and a couple trial and errors, I learned that I don't necessarily need freezer prep food since my meals are prepped 5-day increments, so I try to focus only on stuff that'll hold in the refrigerator good. That really helps me, and I really prefer glass Tupperware. Now we covered our steps. I'm going to briefly walk you through my weekly example. Meatloaf. For meatloaf, I would pre-mix my meat, eggs, seasoning, and barbecue sauce, leaving a bowl ready to go. On Monday, all I need to do is add breadcrumbs, form, and put it in the oven. 45 to 55 minutes later, it's done, ready to go. Tacos, nachos. This is the easiest. I will pre-cook on Sunday my seasoned meat, then have all the veggies cut and separated in bags. Then Tuesday, all I have to do is heat and serve. Chicken broccoli casserole. For this, I will pre-cook my chicken breast and cube in pieces and store with juices from cooking. In a separate bag, I will have broccoli that's steamed and cooked, mixed with cream and mushroom soup, and then Wednesday, I just bake it. Really easy. Lasagna. I use a glass baking dish for my Italian sausage. After it's cooked, I take it, cool it off, and add layered, hard sauce lasagna noodles, sausage, and cheeses. By Thursday, the noodles are ready to cook, and I just pull it out of my fridge, throw it in the oven. It works great. Friday is great. Chicken Caesar salad. I already have my chicken pre-cooked from Sunday. I use the same chicken, pull it out while my garlic bread is cooking. I cut up my chicken, mix it with my salad, and I'm ready to go. It's really easy. Now, I hope I have demonstrated how convenient and easy meal prepping can be. I hope to make your busy weeks a little easier. Thank you. Do not forget, after you have your stuff in the refrigerator, put a date on it or even put everything in order so you can reach what you're cooking first. It helps a lot. I appreciate your time. Enjoy.